Hello and welcome from a beautiful Lake Como. Look at that view behind me. We are here for a couple of days, going to enjoy and take in this lake vibe, mountain vibe, do some boat rides, eat some food and enjoy. Of course, I'll be taking you guys along, but as usual, we are late to catch a ferry. Let's go. Got down from our ferry from where we are staying to Bellagio, and now from Bellagio we are actually going to a town called as Varano. It's a very small, cute, little, beautiful town. Tomorrow we are again going to come to Bellagio and explore more and do a sailing boat tour. But today it's going to be Varano, and I am the most happiest person when I'm on a boat in the water. I don't know why, but I really love that. So multiple boat tours is something that I look forward to and don't get bored of. मला थोडंसंच नाही वाटत आहे की स्पार्कल आहे त्याच्यामध्ये स्पार्कली स्पार्कली ओ गॉड वाव हे खाऊन जर बोला ना एक दिवसभर जेवू नको तरी नाही जेवणार इतकं भारी आहे सो आफ्टर दॅट डिलिश मिस आय थॉट शी इज कॉलिंग मी. So anyways, after that delicious lunch, now we are out to explore Varena, headed towards the viewpoint of Varena. Of course, it is super sunny as you can see. But the lunch was so good and the desserts here are just amazing. I had a Sicilian pistachio cup which is like amazing. I'm also thinking to take it away as a takeout for my dinner later. But then dinner would be to try something different. Anyways, let's go and explore Varena. Such a pretty town. We had a few places that we had marked we had to go, like the Villa Caprice Gardens, but it is full of cobblestones and full of stairs and we cannot navigate that with a stroller. But nevertheless, the town has amazing like a super busy spot in Varena or like a busy town in Varena. We are in a small town where we are staying actually. If you see that there, like 2 minutes walk from here is our hotel room, and now we are like on a sort of a private beach where there are not a lot of people. Also it's 5 p.m. The sun is out and the water is warm. It's the best. That was quite relaxing, even though we were there only for an hour because it was sunset time. I think the water was still not hot or warm. It was still very cold, so we were there only for like an hour. How beautiful behind me. And now for the next interesting thing, always when you're in Italy, food. finished with our breakfast and now headed to our ferry to Bellagio. We are going to explore Bellagio. But yesterday I was literally running through this area, but it is such a beautiful place. That's why today I wanted to take some time and look at the view, take in the views. Like for example here, those are the mountains over there, and from there the water is like seeping through, and then it comes from this. We are on a bridge here, and then it kind of meets the lake there. So the area there is covered with all white stones and white pebbles, which is like so beautiful. I'll just but yesterday we just ran through this area and therefore did not look at it and enjoy the view. But today we thought we have like 40 minutes to our ferry and we are going to walk and have a nice view of this lake. So many people are enjoying. Behind me, the ferry stop that we have to take. It is still 10 minutes to the ferry, but it is literally empty. Like there is no one there. But the places like Verona yesterday that we went, and even Bellagio, it was so packed. People are like waiting for such huge long lines, and it just makes me feel very happy that we are into a place like this, which is a very small town. I'll place the name here somewhere, and everything is like quiet. There are a lot of locals. As you can see, there's a dog running there. As you can see from the busyness here that we have reached Bellagio. Now we are going to take an express train because we are with a stroller, so we don't know how much we'll be able to climb these stairs. So, in order to explore this in a more convenient way, we are going to take the train, and it's going to be fun because it looks like a nice toy train. So let's go. So I think it was the best decision, just €5 per person, and we could see all the places, of course from a little bit far away and not walk into them, but that is still fine because walking that much with a stroller, no, can't do that at all. But now we are in Italy, so the next stop is obviously going to be food. Can't believe we are 3 days in Italy and this is my first tiramisu. But no complaints because the other desserts that I've had are also amazing. They're also amazing. Every time I eat lunch, I'm like in a food coma, or any food. I'm like in a food coma, but then there is always so much of walking to do here in the Italy that that food coma just goes away. The next stop is a very famous alley here, which is like a shopping alley. Obviously, I want to go there and check it out. But later, after an hour or so, we have an amazing experience planned, and I can't wait for that. But first, shopping. Yeah, they're all very pretty, no? So we have done the shopping and we are celebrating some good shopping with a pistachio ice cream. We tried to avoid these narrow alleyways and these stairs because they are like super steep with a lot of stones, if you can see this here. But for our final to-do thing for the day, we actually have to go to this meeting point, which means that we have to go through these alleys and these steps. It is super steep. If you can't see there, where there is black, it's still even more like on a slope there. But we have to do what we have to do. We'll have to think of a better way when we return. But for now, this is the way to make it. So the thing that we have been waiting for so long is that boat there. It's a sailing boat. It's a private sailing boat tour. And of course, I'm very excited. Bye guys.
Modern is Alpha 38. Yeah, 30 loop. This is a speedboat. Sailing.
Peaceful. We are seeing a lot of speedboats go around, but I think we did the better decision of taking a sailboat experience because it's going like nicely and slowly and yes, yeah, ferry boat, and it's going nicely and slowly. So I think that is much more enjoyable vibe. And the weather is also so good. It's just a little bit sunny and then a little bit windy. Just perfect. Amazing, and it's little bit of a sunset time, so this was almost like a sunset boat tour. This concludes our day in Bellagio, but tomorrow also we have a few exciting things planned, but really today was such a great day. Amazing. So it's the next day. We just had our breakfast, which was amazing, and now this is actually what the weather is like. Let me turn my camera. It's raining and it's supposed to rain for like next 24 hours with thunderstorms, and also on top of that the public transport today is on a strike. So basically we are like forced to sit inside the hotel, but we are determined to make this day work because it's my birthday. Even though I love this view, I love this vibe, and just sit here and enjoy this, we still want to do something, so we are going to take a taxi out and have lunch at a nice place. But we are very determined that we will make today count, and I'm not saying this is a bad weather because I love such weather. So I think it is by God's plan that he made this weather like this, because I like this weather on my birthday. But getting around will be difficult but not impossible, so let's do it today. So as decided, we are out of the house and waiting for a bus to go to Lecco, which is a nearby town, and enjoy some Indian food because it's my birthday, and of course my favorite cuisine is Indian, even though if we are in Italy. So we are just waiting for the bus now. This will be the first time on this trip we are going to take a bus ride. I hope you enjoy. Let's go. That was such an amazing lunch. Punjabi food just hits differently, and I think now that I live in the Europe, anytime I eat Indian food, my soul is just happy. But look at where I am right now. Thankfully the rains have stopped, and now we can do a promenade or whatever they call, like a walk through this. It's a beautiful city or a town in Lake Como. Look at those clouds there. It looks so gorgeous, so pretty, and this walk is also going to be very nice and pretty. So let's do it. Definitely, not a day has gone by without shopping and eating gelato. So shopping is done, and now I'm headed for a gelato.
Do you like this chocolate?
Yes.